We're at a period of time where we have so much information. I'm not talking about internet information for patients, but looking at all these different molecular targets, even for those of us who deal primarily with lung cancer, it's hard to keep these all straight. It is such a complex cancer genome looking at all these, and you really do need sophisticated informatics to figure out what you are doing. ASCO is planning a program to try to have real-time sophisticated data on individual patients as to how best to treat people in the genomic revolution that we're in right now. So the good news is we're understanding more and more about the biology of the cancer, and we're developing exploitable targets that actually make a difference in quality of life and quantity of survival. The bad news is the expensive cost for developing these drugs and for producing the drugs once they are approved, and to try to figure out what this all means in a global perspective as far as not just looking at a single drug such as erlotinib in EGFR mutated cancer patients, but looking at what do we do to prevent resistance to erlotinib and other drugs once we find these exploitable therapeutic targets. Certainly in lung cancer, I don't think anyone in the field would doubt that the improvement in lung cancer has primarily been not with chemotherapy in the last decade, but with molecular targeted agents. The challenge is we still have an incredibly small percentage of patients who have these therapeutically exploitable targets. There are more out there which just haven't been uncovered yet.